So for this project, we will be using a 5.5mm crochet hook, and the yarn is Karen Simply Soft. The first thing we need to do is slip stitch. Chain 2. Slip stitch into the first one. Chain 2. Find your center, and then you need to single crochet 6. Slip stitch into the first one. Chain 3. And then double crochet by 1 in each one of these. Slip stitch into the first one. Chain 3. Front double crochet in here. Double crochet in here. Front double crochet in here. Double crochet in here. And continue to do that for the entire row. Slip stitch into the third chain of the first post. Chain 3. Front double crochet in the front double crochet. And then back double crochet into the next one. Front double crochet. Then back double crochet. Okay guys, so when you get to the 6th row, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when you get to this point, you will not continue to double crochet and slip stitch. Instead, when When you get to the back double crochet over here, you will chain 3, turn your work around, and then you will back double crochet in the back double crochet, and you will front double crochet in the front double crochet. And you will continue to do that for 5 rows. Double crochet, back double crochet, double crochet in here, then chain 3 and turn your work around to continue on your 3rd row. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, after you finish 5 rows, turn your work inside out and then sew these 2 sides. So you will go in here and in here, slip stitch. Slip stitch, go in here and in here, slip stitch, and continue to do that until you come to the end. Expand your last stitch and put your yarn through it. Pull it through. Turn your work to the other side. You can cut the yarn at this point. Okay guys, when you get to this point, we'll go in here. Put your yarn through it. 1, 2, 3. Then you'll go in here. We'll double crochet in here, double crochet in here, then in here, and in here, and you'll do that for the entire row. Okay, and now we will go in the third chain of the first post to finish the row. Slip stitch. At this point, we will change the yarn chain 3, and now we will front double crochet in all of these posts. Okay, now we will slip stitch into the third chain of the first post. Now we will change it back to green. Like that. Chain 3. And then we will front double crochet every one of these posts. Okay, now to finish the row, we will slip stitch again in the third chain of the first post. Expand our last stitch, put our yarn through it, pull it through, cut the yarn and loose the ends.